Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll going to show you how to create image hosting website with PHP on AI Studio and deploy it on InfinityFree free plan. Example: this website hosts an image and you can view the image link to everywhere like viewer link, HTML full code, and thumbnail code. Let's start from scratch. First, go to New tab on Chrome and search for AI Studio, then click Search. Click on aistudio.google.com. After it opened, long press on prompt area and paste your prompt here. I have prepared the prompt. If you want, you can get the prompt link in the description. After pasting the prompt, click on Run button and wait for the AI Studio to generate the code. Now it finished generating the code. Second step, deploy the generated code on InfinityFree. Open New tab and write InfinityFree and click on Search. InfinityFree is free hosting website which gives you free domain. Click on infinityfree.com. If you are new, sign up using your email account or Google. I have signed in before, so I click on Login. InfinityFree dashboard looks like this. We have to create a new account. Click on Create Account button. Choose hosting plan. InfinityFree has free plan lifetime. Click on Free plan and Create Account. Wait for confirming that you are human. Write your subdomain, which will you use. Choose the domain extension you want. Click on Check Availability. Alright, our account is available now. Don't change anything. Click on Email Consent and click on Check Mark I Approve. Click on Create Account button. Now it is creating our account. It takes some minutes to live the URL we created. Alright, now our website is created and live. Let's check our new website URL. Copy the URL and paste on New tab to see if it is working. Very good. Our website is working perfectly and live. Go back to InfinityFree account. Now let's upload our created code from AI Studio. Click on File Manager button. Click on htdocs. Select everything inside the htdocs and delete them. Click on More. Click on New File and write index.php. Click on Create and Edit button. Go back to AI Studio and copy the code you created before. Come back to File Manager, long press and paste the code on the index.php file. Click on Save and Close. Now you have saved the code inside the File Manager. Go back to your website, refresh it once and see. Excellent! Our website is deployed correctly. It has features, About Page, Privacy Policy, and Term of Conditions. Let's check if it is hosting the image. Perfect. Let's click on Viewer Links and check it online. Working perfectly. Go back to the InfinityFree file manager and see his folder called Upload. It is where the uploaded image stored. This is all about our today's video. Please subscribe to AIWEBGENIX YouTube channel and like the video. You can ask anything in the comment. I'm willing to help you out. The source code, which contains the index.php code and prompt, is in the description. Join our Telegram channel, AIWEBGENIX. Thank you for watching.